Achieving the new normal for manufacturing sites with MELSEC IQR. Introduction of a method for instantly identifying defects using a database of accumulated production data. Chapter 4. Data Analysis Utilizing Excel. This video will explain 5. Data Analysis Utilizing Excel. In the previous video, we learned how to construct a system to transfer inspection equipment data to the database. Now we'll show you a simple method for reading the accumulated data using Excel and performing analysis. First, read the inspection data from the database. Inspection data can be read from the database by selecting existing connections from Data in Menu and specifying the table created in the database. Next, use Excel functions to create a screen like this to analyze inspection data. First, use Excel's Power Pivot function to create a model of the ingested inspection data and create a graph. Next, calculate the average of the day's inspection data. Input the standard values to be used for pass-fail judgments for each type, and create a graph using Power Pivot. In addition, adding the slicer function allows you to switch the graph display according to the type ID. Repeat the above procedure to create graphs for height, width, and depth dimensions and weight, and create a layout like this. Now we'll explain how to perform analysis when a defect occurs. Let's imagine a situation where a defective product with dimensions exceeding the standard values has been found for type ID 1004, and we need to check the inspection data for the past 7 days. First, let's consider the case in the past where the inspection data is managed in Excel files. It takes a lot of time to search for the corresponding files among the large number of files stored in folders using the keywords type ID 1004 and past 7 days, and then to check the inspection data in these files. Now let's see what happens with the Excel we created this time. Here, the verification can be done by performing only 2 operations. First, use the slicer to select type ID 1004. Next, use the graph filter function to limit the display to the past 7 days. When this is done, you can see that the averages for August 11th and August 18th are well above the orange line that indicates the judgment value. Therefore, there is a high probability that defective products are among the products inspected on these days. In addition, the inspection process on those days can be examined to determine the cause of the defects. In this way, data can be immediately narrowed down, and analysis can be easily performed. As shown here, by distributing data accumulation and analysis to the appropriate systems, various benefits can be achieved even in long-term operation, such as expanding data capacity and maintaining analysis speed. This is how a small start linking of equipment and database can be done. This time, simple data analysis utilizing Excel was explained, but an environment for performing various types of analysis can be constructed by creating an equipment data table in the database used by your company for production management, such as lot number, serial number, etc. Mitsubishi's MES Interface Module is useful not only for small start by linking equipment and a database, but also for implementing full-scale database linking in combination with production management systems. Also, please feel free to contact Mitsubishi Electric Corporation if you have any questions about settings that were not fully explained in this video, such as how to use the database, etc.